Alright, so now we're just going to see if we can get a BIOS going. It's going to be like our main thing now. So I guess we can move this over. Check the angle. Let's see if we're gonna cross our fingers that everything turns on. Alright, let's double check everything here. Ethernet I'm leaving off for now. No, I don't actually, what's wrong? I don't need to leave the Ethernet off. Let's figure out which one do you plug into though? Like which, there's two, top and bottom. Plug into this one. Mouse and keyboard, good to go. Alright, I'm turning the power switch on of the power supply. Oi! Okay, that scared me. Why is it turning on? Why did it decide that it needed to turn on immediately? What was that? Like what actually was that? That's definitely not what I would want. Oh god. Okay, I need to look that up. That's bad. That's actually bad. I mean, the liquid cooler, even though it's upside down, at least it's functioning. What's not functioning is I'm trying to find an input. HDMI is what it should be. Function. Where's the function key? Function. Alright. I'm not sure what I could be missing. But maybe that was just the first heebie-jeebies. Alright, let's try again. Wow, that fan for the VRMs or whatever the hell that is, that's horrible. I'm gonna have to look up this. We've got issues. What's the code? Where's my code at? What is it? A6? Alright. Fuck. Okay, so apparently the code could either mean no problem, just waiting for something to happen, or it could mean something's loose, or it can mean that you need to reset the BIOS completely and maybe even like restore the BIOS. When the RAM are lighting up, that's meaning at least it's getting that amount of power. We're gonna try restarting it. Okay, let's unplug, fuck it, let's unplug that, power it off, let's take one of the RAMs out, I guess, take the second one off. I didn't damage anything, did I? What the hell? Why is this? What is this ground down? What is that? Is that normal for DDR4? Okay. 1 RAM stick. Okay. And no keyboard. Did it beep? Well, what the hell? Is it saying it needs a keyboard now? Or is it saying... Now it's doing... D7. Ugh. D7. Error code EVGA X570. Go. Okay, so it wants a keyboard or mouse plugged in. Maybe it doesn't like the wireless keyboard here. Maybe it's freaking out because of that. So let's try a wired keyboard. Okay. This like tidy little setup I have here is going to be an issue. So plug that in. Okay, so I like that. It's like beep. Okay, cool. It sounded like a nice beep. So now I have a delete key. This little one here is kind of stupid. So what is it doing now? Restarting itself because I plugged in a keyboard? Okay. You go right ahead, man. So now what? Alright, so we have a keyboard and it's back to, now it's doing, what is that? D6. Okay. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Are we? Really? D6. Go. No GPU. Are you fucking kidding me? Alright, well shit. Let's try a different what is this? Monitor cable here. We're going to try straight up saying it could be GPU. So let's unplug that. Let's try HDMI to HDMI to see if that will help. Okay, so I plugged in an HDMI cable. Now we'll power off. I don't think there's a problem down there. Well, hope not. It's at 98. Oh, we're getting a BIOS. So wait, is that a bad? New CPU installed. Yay! Look at this shit. Okay, so first it didn't like. All right, so what was the first thing it didn't like? It did not like the mouse and keyboard that I had. Alright, it says new CPU installed, FTPM PSP NV corrupted or FTPM PSP NV structure changed. Press Y to reset. If you have BitLocker or encryption enabled, the system will not boot without a recovery key. Press N to keep previous record and continue system boot. FTPM will not enable a new CPU. You can swap back to the old CPU to recover TPM related keys and data. No. I want to reset. This is brand new. It's supposed to be brand new, damn it. So let's see. It's restarting. It says 98, D4, A2, blah blah blah, a whole bunch of things. Alright, warning. Memory has changed. Do you want to enter setup? Yes, please. Yes, setup. Alright, cool. So I just want to see if it's detecting everything. Alright, we see we have the 5950X, it's detected. We see the one stick of memory is there, 16 gigabyte stick. We're seeing the CPU at 3400 megahertz, 47 degrees. It was showing like 60 for some fucking reason. But okay, that's fine, that's fair. XMP support 3600, 1619, 1939 at 1.35. Okay, that looks good. There's all that stuff. There's the boot options, I guess. You know, for once it would be really cool if a BIOS gave you a shutdown option. But it's working, so I guess we'll go ahead and save those changes. Even though it says no changes. But whatever this is, we'll save that. We'll see if it can go back to the BIOS. Alright, cool. It goes into the BIOS. That's fine. The CPU hits 60 for some dumb reason. Alright. That's not encouraging. I am using the paste that came with this particular one. Alright. So let's shut down. Let's put the other stick of RAM in here. See if it will boot. Alright, a little bit of fucking troubleshooting for your time, huh? Huh? Just a little bit, eh? Okay, let's get this stick of RAM put in here good. Let's pop off the power. Hopefully it doesn't have to fucking retrain or whatever the fuck it did all over again, because that would suck tragically. Now, good there. Good there. Good there. Put this back on. Okay. Put this on. See if we can get to the BIOS. 2 sticks of RAM, let's go. Memory has changed, yes. Setup, alright, so same thing, 60s. When it first powers up, then it starts dropping down pretty quickly. It's going to the 40s. Last time it did. So it's showing total size 32 gigs of RAM. Very good. Okay. Down to 48. 47. Okay, that's about the same. Alright, cool. Memory, it's still seeing the XMP1. Okay, has no XMP2. Alright, fine. Very well. What are we, let's see, where's this? Let's see, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Alright, you're kind of not seeing the whole thing, sorry. Alright. Extras. Home. Extra. There's the BIOS update. Okay. I'm just curious, where the fuck do you find... Oh, BIOS version 1.01. Okay, maybe that's where some of our beep 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 issues were. I'm gonna plug this in to see if it contains any BIOS updates. If not, then we have to go to another system. I don't want to install anything on this until it's updated to the newest BIOS. So let's plug this in. Why such a fucking tiny ass USB? Alright, so... Oh fuck, don't stick your finger in the fan! Alright, well that calms everything down. Why? Why would that calm it down? Like the fans were going, and then I plugged that in, it went beep, and then it was like, boom, fans went quiet. Alright, so what's on here? System volume, data, drivers, manual, wallpapers. Oh, you got some wallpapers? Nice. What the hell? 579.bin. That can't be it. What the hell would that even be? A .bin? Alright, we're gonna have to shut down, get the BIOS on another computer. There's gotta be an update. Come on, 1.01? Alright, I must have got like one of the first editions of this board. Or maybe they never made another edition. They didn't sell that well, maybe. I don't know. Hey, look at that. We're down to 45 just by plugging in EVGA little thumb drive. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright, what a fucking battle that was. So I had to update the BIOS all the way from 1.01 up to 1.09. So this is like first run of these motherboards, I guess, that I got all these years. Amazon had these in stock. First editions. Let's see. I saved that, right? Let me see. Let me make sure I saved. Save and reset. Yeah, I did. So nothing is there. No. I'm going to shut that bad boy down. Okay. Now our thumb drive should be free and clear. Okay, this is set this up specially with the drivers and the BIOS. Now this one should be a Windows 10 installation. Set this up already preemptively, and we shall see what kind of luck we have booting into it. Got some powerful fans in this thing. That's for damn sure. So I think it should go through, if it doesn't see an operating system on the SSD, it should look at the USB. But if not, then I will attempt to force it to do so. Let me see. Yep, it looks like it is. Okay. So let's turn this way this time. All right. Let's see if we can use the mouse and keyboard that I want it to use with this setup now. This is risky, but let's try it. I'm gonna unplug the wired one, and we're gonna go wireless. Let's see if that is the motherboard. Even though maybe it was because it was the old BIOS, it did not like that keyboard, or this keyboard, excuse me. Got nothing. Looks like this doesn't like it either. Yeah, I guess I'll have to do the wired one. Let's do this. Wait. Tab? Oh, great. I just did a restart. Alright, that's just as well. Let's see if the fucking system will sense these this time. Okay, here we go. Alright, so no beeping. That's good. The X570 now seems to be okay with this mouse and keyboard. I don't have any control yet though. Don't understand. Well, doesn't like this one. That doesn't work. It doesn't work. Oh. Plug this. Okay. Man, that really sucks. What the hell's wrong with those? Guess they're cheap. Alright, yes. Next. Repair? No. Install. Well, isn't it going to ask me where? Oh, this is where I put that product key, I guess. Okay, so now I've entered in my product key. I accept. Upgrade. Keep files. But there's literally nothing on this. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. What is all this? Okay. It's gotta be drive 1. I'm pretty sure. Wait, what? 7452. There is no way there's a drive with 7,452 gigabytes. That's a 7 terabyte. Oh yeah, that's my SSD. I was like, what the fuck? No, not that one. We want the 2 terabyte. Pretty sure that's the one. Alright, so we got the SN850 is right here. That is 840-ish gigabytes. And then I don't know what the fuck all these are for. I hate when that kind of thing happens. I should have. Yeah, fuck it, who cares? Alright, and then there's that thing. Refresh. Load driver. No. No. Is this how I. Oh, wait. Hold on. What does this do? Oh, that's if I wanted to resize it. Nah. I mean, we can shrink it later. We should, but I don't want to fuck with that right now. Alright, let's go next. Okay, let's see if that nvme can go fast. So it copied the Windows files already. So now it's up to the CPU. That's why the fans kicked in. Even though supposedly the liquid is only 25 degrees. Okay, pretty fast. Oh, it's going to have updates like already, hopefully. I mean, as long as it sees the actual LAN there. I don't know if it... I think those are both Intel LANs. Restarting. did it even try to download updates? Like, I thought that was the whole fucking point. Interesting. Now, the other question I have is, should I install drivers before updating to... Oh god. Why did it fucking skip? Okay. Alright. No. No. I already have it. Like, what is it doing? Your computer might restart. Are you sure we want to cancel it? Yes. Because I need to go to the BIOS. Because I didn't select the new boot order. Let's go in here. Boot stuff. Is that where it is? Yeah, let's go down here. Now we gotta change this to the boot manager. Okay. This is gonna change. Wait, what? I mean, okay. Whatever. And then everything else I put there. Those are my just in case. Oops. Yep. Okay. So now it should start the Windows that installed. I hope. Yes. There we go. Oh god, that blue screen scared me. Damn. Like, they did that on purpose, I feel like. What the fuck? Yeah, sure. That's where you want to think I'm at. You go right ahead. It's perfectly fine with me. Keyboard layout, I guess. Want to add a second keyboard layout? No, I better not mess with that. Okay, so here, let me enter in my info on this part, and then we'll be back. Okay, so if it's not obvious yet, it looks like the LAN driver isn't fully loaded because it asked me to do Wi-Fi for whatever reason. So I'm gonna just skip out on the connected thing. Who's going to use this PC? Well, who do you think, motherfucker? We'll just call it Jonesiedude, I guess. Let me enter my information and I'll be back. This might take several minutes. So, popped in my information. Let's see how long it takes. Come on. Alright, yay. You're gonna eject that. Okay. Windows 10, done with you. Now I'm gonna uninstall the wireless one. Unfortunately, didn't do us no good here. Get the LAN driver working. Okay. Open. Let's go. I'm gonna do. Wait, let's rename this. This is Windows 11. I'm gonna try to install the Windows 11 version of the LAN driver. So, Wi-Fi, no thank you. we're gonna do this one. Extract it. Go. Okay, pretty zippy. Let's go ahead and pop this one in. Okay. We're successfully installed, eh? Oh, there it goes. Do you want to allow your PC to be scrubbable? Yeah. Close that, close that, close that. Come in here, go here. Activation. Okay, cool. Activate it. Check hardware. Your clock is behind. Oh, of course. Yes, please. Please, by all means, fix that for me. Let's do check for updates. Couldn't install because of a problem with the date. We'll fix it! What the fuck's wrong with this thing? What's it even working on at the moment? Anything? Pending install. View optional. That's a preview. Oh, I'll waste time on previews. Okay, whatever. Just fucking install it. Wait, in the meantime, while I was doing that, can I fucking turn dark mode on? This is kind of stupid right now. Personalization. No, colors. Dark. Dark. Thank you. That should be default. Like, why that's not default, I don't know. Oh no, we got errors. Fuck. Okay, well let's just fucking restart. Update and restart. So I need to get Solidigm software and Western Digital. Ooh, that's nice. I didn't set up a pen. Alright, let me enter my information. I'll be back. Okay, back in. Now, let's go ahead and go get Solidigm. What is this? Cookies? Yeah, I mean, you see what I'm doing anyway. Like, anybody thinks turning cookies off stops them is just not being honest with themselves. What is this, the P44? What is this thing, P44 Pro something? Products. I think it's these. P44 Pro, yes, okay. Now is there some kind of support here? Yes, that's what I need. What do we got? Drivers. Firmware update. Storage driver. I don't know if I want to do that. Like, they were saying, like, they fucking couldn't go back to the Windows one. So you have to boot off of a USB to update the firmware on this drive. Well, that's stupid. I don't think I want any of that. We're just gonna fucking... You did not just put that on my desktop. Get that shit out of here. Auto launch. Don't show... Fuck off. Are you kidding me right now? You have become a fucking virus, Windows. A literal virus. Alright, now, can we update Windows 11, security, and something? Oh, well, yeah, download that, that's fine. It can run. Alright, so what does it say? Your PC meets the minimum requirements. Specific timing for when it will be offered can vary as we get it ready for you. What do you mean, get it ready for me? What does that even mean? Like, wow. Okay, that makes no sense at all. Alright. So we'll have to see if that's going to work. Alright, that's enough for today. The Windows keys worked. Eventually, my motherboard worked. We have a lot of software to download. I'm not going to download most of that now because I want to get it to update to Windows 11 first, because some of that shit gets a little feisty when you switch from 10 to 11. Like I know IQ is pretty bananas, fucked up when it switches over. So I don't want to deal with that. It has to restart again. Alright, you get the point. You get the idea. It's just ad nauseum. Rinse and repeat.